What's up, Collective fam? AddtoCartEd here, and I got invited to open up this Nomatic Backpack. So this is one of these Kickstarter backpacks that actually got the most backings from Kickstarter, and I'm actually pretty excited about it because I love backpacks, and this is probably something that I'm going to end up buying myself. So let's go ahead and check out this box. This is the first time we're opening it up over here in the shop, and we'll see. Bring out my nice little blade. Accident. Cut this up on one side. Nice. So, not much in the box. Plastic bag that it comes with has their little triangular design. Reminds me of Zelda, so it's kind of cool. Here, bag. Ooh, that's a lot nicer than what it looked like in the video. So this is a waterproof material. It almost looks from a distance, especially with my lighting on here, kind of like leather. Really nice. So you can actually hold this in several different ways. Use it as a backpack, has that handle above. You can also hold it from the side if you load it in a certain way. So this actually is functionality wise pretty cool. We got another one over here on this side. You can even load it onto a there's Velcro everywhere. This is exciting. Oh dude, there's actually another zipper back here too. Woo.